Grabe, nagtaas na naman yung gasolina. Mag-EV ka na. O ito na lang. This is the 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage GLX Automatic with only 25,000 kilometers on the clock. Napakababa nun, almost brand new condition pa. And under the hood, meron ka 1.2 liter 3-cylinder automatic transmission at MyVec technology na rin to, gasoline engine. At itong kotse na to, one of the most fuel efficient car dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. At sa exterior, meron kang fresh original paint, manual side mirrors, may turn signals dito, 15 inches alloy wheels, makakapalang tires, meron kang halogen headlamps at new face na to. At sa pinakalikod, wala siyang rear sensor, walang rear camera. Kung gusto mo nang may sensor at camera, doon ka sa GLS variant. At sa trunk space niya, decent amount of space. At dito sa interior, basic lang lahat. Intact na headliner, fresh fabric seats, may audio controls ka dito, analog display, touchscreen infotainment system, 2 cup holders, automatic transmission. Dito sa second row, comfortable ako, maluwag ang leg, shoulder, and headroom, 6 patangay ko. Meron kang armrest with 2 built-in cup holders. Nakakapanlumo yung pagtaas ng gasolina ngayon. Kaya ikaw, kung gusto mo medyo maging practical at nagtitipid ka, this is the perfect car para sa'yo for only 595,000 pesos lang. Peace out!